Have you ever wondered what a drawdown is? It is a common term used to describe how much an investment has fallen from its peak. A drawdown measures the decline from a historical high point in an investment portfolio to its lowest subsequent point before it recovers. Think of it as a mountain climb. The drawdown is the distance from the top of the peak down to the deepest valley below. Drawdowns are a standard way to look at risk. They show you the potential pain you might feel during a market downturn. It is important to distinguish between a drawdown and a realized loss. A drawdown is often temporary, while a realized loss is permanent. This line shows how a portfolio value fluctuates. The steep drop in the middle represents the drawdown period from the previous peak. Remember that drawdowns are a normal part of the investment cycle. Staying disciplined often helps investors weather these periods of market stress. Thanks for watching. Understanding drawdown helps you manage your expectations. Please consult a professional for your specific needs.